The Indian classical dance, Bharatanatyam, is the combination of three elements, Bha, Ra and Ta. Bha, Bhava or expression, Ra, Raga or melody, Ta, Tala or rhythm. This interdisciplinary dance, which originated in the temples, has strong roots with divinity. An Indian classical dance, Bharatanatyam, originated in the temples of South India, portrays images of beautiful silk costumes, elaborate jewelry, dramatic makeup, songs about gods and goddesses, set to classical Carnatic music. And the dancer communicates to her audience through facial expressions and hand gestures. That is the general perception from the audience point of view. Through this artwork, I am exploring what happens to a dancer as she progresses through her dance training while making connections across different ways of knowing. In ancient India, art went hand in hand with religion. Indian dancers are trained to see divinity in everything. For instance, even as we enter a dance studio, we remove our footwear as we do when we go to the temple. The concept of praying to Mother Earth before and after dance lessons expresses the essence of dance as a symbol of sacred offering. The students are further trained to seek the blessings of their Guru by bowing down to them. Guru is considered God in human form and is given the utmost respect. This leads to receiving grace and obtain spiritual knowledge. These rituals are inculcated as the foundation of the student's cultural values. Bharatanatyam elevates dancers at various levels such as physical, emotional, intellectual, social and spiritual. Physical fitness in this art form involves stamina, intense footwork as well as muscular strength, which helps them hold difficult postures. This comprehends variations in three speeds and rhythmic patterns. Exercise increases awareness of good posture, which helps to achieve appropriate stance and improve body balance. When it comes to pedagogical practices, I believe in the dictum of the text Natya Shastra, which formulated specific rules of dance. These rules create discipline with embodied actions of mind and the body. The Natya Shastra states the mind and the body cannot be separated. The feet must keep to the rhythm, the hands must express gesture, the eyes must follow the hands, and the ears should listen to the music. By harmonizing these five elements, the mind achieves concentration and attains clarity in the movement. The inner feeling of the dancer is the sixth sense, which harnesses these five mental and mechanical elements to create the experience and enjoyment of the beauty. The principles of intense footwork, integrated with hand gestures, eyes, head, and neck movements, contribute to develop kinesthetic awareness within the choreographic practices. The physical contact of the foot against the ground is considered sacred as it creates the feeling of being connected with the natural environment. The execution of basic footwork in three speeds along with multiple hand gestures reinforces the sense of rhythm and cognitive ability as it stimulates right and left side of the brain. The rhythmic structure of dance and music is made up of patterns called talas. The closest concept to tala in Western music is meter. When a note or a beat is emphasized, the body experiences the layers of embodied memory and reflects the dialogue between live music as the dancer adapts these songs to communicate her feelings. Striking cymbals, calling out solfa syllables using mathematical calculations help to denote dance movements as it stimulates multisensory brain areas. In Bharatanatyam, music and dance are inseparable as dance directly represents music within a creative process. The facial expressions or abhinaya are the means by which the dancer communicates an inner experience to the audience. The emotions shown by the dancer create a response in the audience, an experience of a feeling or sentiment. Each sentiment is associated with causes, consequences, and passing feelings, all in the presence of a dominant emotion. However, the 9 emotions are not taught using text or curriculum, but they are incorporated into dance lessons through socio-cultural instructions during Bharatanatyam choreography. The tradition of Guru Shishya Parampara or the oral traditions is still practiced by teaching various shlokas or chants used in dance. This inculcates cooperative learning. Group learning encourages students to explore variety of views and opinions. Interacting with one another fosters collaborative learning such as teamwork, leadership, and sportsmanship. It also builds strong friendship and trust and a sense of belonging. For many years, our body is considered as a fond axis to connect to the God. Dancers kept adopting these modes of communication, either consciously or unconsciously, along with their techniques. Buddha said, "You think and you become." Similarly, dancer perceives herself as a character operating on a principle called suspension of disbelief. As we train ourselves to believe the thought, the dancer imagines a thought, she fantasizes the thought, and she becomes a thought. At that point, she enters the zone at a meditative state. That's why dance is called yoga, because mind, body, and emotions are all aligned. Thus, it takes one to the spiritual art form as we look inwards. As the dancer completes her training, her performance reflects and enhances the various elements of Bharatanatyam. This is when the performer experiences the beauty of the dance. Tattadin kutai, trigadattalang kutaka tattadin kuta, kidadat takatadin kutai, tattadin kuta, takatadin kutai, ditta, kidatakata, ditta, kidatakata, tak kidatakata, tatarita danata januta dimita, kidakatargido, tatarita danata januta dimita, kidakatargido, tatarita danata januta dimita, kidakatargido. In my journey through dance, I've always found it easy to convey my feelings through movements and facial expressions. Exploring the physical, emotional, social, intellectual and spiritual areas of Bharatanatyam has inspired me to gain in-depth knowledge. I wish to continue this creative learning experiences and contribute to the holistic development of my students through dance.